Hello student. In last period we study about shares in financial program. Financial planning. In financial planning we study about shareholder, stock exchange. Face value means FV. Then market value is MV is dividend. Market value is MV. In comparisons of FV and MV, in comparison we study about first is market value means MV. If MV is greater than FV means market value is greater than face value, then share is at premium. In second, if market value is equal to face value, then share is at par. And when market value is less than face value, then the share is at discount. Sum invested means total amount required to purchase. The share is sum invested. Sum invested is equal to number of share into market value. And rate of return, the formula of rate of return is equal to dividend income upon sum invested. For this we solve some example in practice set 4.3. For this practice 4.3 we study about this example on page number 100 and 101. There is first example, a rate of a return, how to calculate a rate of return. In second example, there is given face value. Second example, face value is rupees 100, premium is 65. Then what is market value? We know market value is equal to face value plus premium is equal to 100 plus 65 is 165. There is complete for the following table using the given informations, and there is one example about invested, how to calculate total investment in nil has invested in share as following. Find the total investment. And there is one example is number of shares is equal to total investment upon market value. In last example, a rate of return, sum investment, dividend per share, and rate of a return. In practice set 4.3, first example, complete the following table by writing suitable numbers and words. There is a table, serial number, face value, share is at per, then market value. If there is first example, in first example you give face value is 100, share is at per, means first is we give, in first example face value is rupees 100, share is at per, therefore market value is also rupees ... is also 100. In second example, there is unknown face value, premium is rupees 500 and market value is 575. Then we calculate face value. We know market value is 575 and premium is 500. Therefore face value is subtractions of these two number is rupees 75. If face value is 75, premium is rupees 500, then sum of these two is market value is 575. In third example, face value is rupees 10 rupees 5 is market value. Then we study about this relation is face value is 10 and market value is 5. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. Therefore premium is at a discount. This is a word about these two values. Then second example is given. Mr. Amol purchased 50 shares of face value rupees 100. When market value of the share was rupees 80, company had given 20% dividend. Find the rate of a return on this investment. We give face value. This is face value is rupees 100. Market value is equal to rupees 80. Market value is rupees 80. The investment per share rupees 80 for getting one share of face value 100. This is given information. The investment per share rupees 80 for getting one share of face value is equal to rupees 100. And dividend is equal to 20%. Dividend is equal to 20%, is equal to 20 per share of face value is equal to rupees 20 per share of face value is rupees 100. Therefore rate of return is equal to dividend income divided by sum invested into 100 is equal to dividend income is 20 upon sum invested is 80 into 100 is equal to 20 into 1 is a 20 and 20 into 4 is 80. 4 into 1 is a 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is remaining 2. Then this number is 20. 4 into 5 is 25%. Therefore, the rate of return for Mr. Amol is 25% rate of return. This is second example. In third example, Joseph purchased the following share. Find the total investment for company A, B and C. Investment of Mr. Joseph is first company A number of shares is equal to 100. FV face value is given rupees 2 and premium is given rupees 80. Therefore, market value is equal to face value plus premium. Face value is 2, premium is 80 is equal to market value is 120. Market value is 18 plus 2 is 20. Investment in company A. Investment in company A is equal to number of shares into market value. Number of share is 200 into market value is 220. Multiplications of these two number is rupees 2 into 2 is 4 and 30 means 4000 is investment in company A. In company B, number of share is equal to 45. Investment market value is given. Investment in company is equal to number of share into market value. Number of share is 45 into market value is given 500 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. 22,500 and investment in company C number of share is equal to 1. Market value is given. Market value is given 10,540. 10,540. This is third. From total investment is equal to, first is 4,000 in company A plus 22,500 in company B and 10,514 company C. Sum of these three number is rupees 37,040 is a total investment of Joseph. Total investment is 37,400. This is third example. Thank you.